Music can help to evoke emotions and create a certain mood or atmosphere in your video. The right music can add depth and complexity to a scene. Overall, adding music to a video can help to make it more engaging, emotionally impactful, and memorable. My name is Maddie, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add music to a video in any operating system you have without any problems. Let's start. Like all the videos, I put the download link for you in the description. The program that I want to introduce is special for Android, iOS, iPadOS, and even Windows. Let's go quickly to the application. CapCut. CapCut offers easy to use video editing functions, free in app fonts and effects, and free advanced. It doesn't matter what operating system you use, all the steps are the same. For example, in iOS system, open App Store. Then search CapCut. Download and install this application. Now let me show you how to work with this amazing application. Open the app. To accept the term of use, please tap on Accept. In the first step, select New Project. After that, to access our gallery, please choose Settings and tap on Allow access to all photos. For example, I want to add music to this video. All I have to do is select this video. Before adding music, you can also cut your video. So tap on Add Audio. There are 4 options here. VoiceOver is for when you want to record your own voice and put it on the video. Second option is Extracted. This is for those times when you have music on a video and you like it, but you don't know how to download it. Also, in Effects section, there are over 1,000 of free sound effects. For example, laughing, crying, or rain. And in sounds section, you can use famous TikTok songs directly. I really love this option. Even this program has over thousands of music ready for you in different genres. Or maybe you have a song on your device and you just want to select it. All you have to do is tap on From Device. After choosing your music, tap on Audio section. Here you can edit your music. For example, change the volume, fade it, also change the speed, and the best part is all of them are free to use. And in the last step, I want to save my video. All I need to do is tap on Save icon here. Then choose my resolution and frame rate. Also, you have option to convert your clip to an HDR video. Finally, select Save. Very fast and simple. CapCut is completely free to download and use, which makes it a great option for people who are just getting started with video editing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe to our channel so I can find out lots of video features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.